Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft Stream. So to access Microsoft Stream, if you come up to the waffle and click, which is the 9 boxes top left hand corner, you can select Stream there. And we're going to look at how we can use the camera recording. So we're at that point in the year, certainly in the UK, when you're doing your speaking and listening assessment, and that usually requires you to record the students presenting. Now you don't need a copy of their presentation because you've got that. You just need them presenting, and you need to capture them talking through their presentation. So that's where you can use the camera recording feature. So we can click camera recording. Now if you're using this for the first time, as it's going to do now, it's going to want you to give permission for it to be able to access your camera. So you need to click allow, and there I am. So we've now got the camera set up. Now it could be that you want to set an external camera. So you may want to use an external camera. So for example, it could be you're on a laptop and you want to use a plug-in webcam so that you can point it more directionally at the students that you're filming doing their presentation. So if you click on the dots up here and go to camera, it will show you the one that you've got selected and the external one. So I've only got an external webcam selected because I've got connected to my device. But if you're on a laptop, you'd have your laptop webcam and the external one as well. So that's how you can swap. Just click on the 3 dots and you can choose your camera. You can also control your microphone. So it will default to one thing and you can choose what you want. So that's how you can change that. And pretty much that's all you need to do. You obviously don't want to blur it because you want to be able to see what they're doing. And then all you do is simply hit record. It'll give a countdown and then it will start to record. So you can see it's recording by the red dot. You can do your presentation. Typically it will limit it to 15 minutes, but that should be plenty for doing a student presentation. So when you're finished recording, you click stop, and come down to the bottom right hand corner. It says review, and click review, and then it will start to record. You can then, if you need to, you could trim that. If you needed to trim the start and the end, so you click trim, and you can move these in to alter the position of them, and then confirm trim, and then it will start to record. So we're happy that we've trimmed it all. The next thing we can do is we can click finish. So it's uploading that recording. So that's now available in Stream. If we want to rename it so we can make sure that we can locate it related to the student, we can simply type in, so we can save the name there. And we can see it's going to appear in my documents folder. That's where it's going to be. I could choose a different location. So if I wanted to choose a different location, I could do that. I could choose a different location. So I'm going to look through here. I thought I had a recordings one, so let me just search. If I can type today, which I clearly can't. Documents recordings, so there is one there. You could choose the folder and then click move here, but I'm not going to do that now. So I've done the thing. I'm happy it's saved and I know which folder it's saved in. Now it may be that you want it to download it, so you can do that as well. So if you click on the 3 dots, one of the options is to download, so you can download it there. So there you have it, a quick way to record students' presentations. You can record them, you can obviously got them stored. Now that I've saved that, if I just go back to Stream, you'll see there it is, and you'll see my recording is there. So I can access all my recordings there, so I know that they're visible. So that's how you can use Stream as a recording tool for your students' presentation. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to my channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.